Do you have a project car where the chassis is starting to rust or is already covered in rust? Well, then you're going to want to consider POR-15. Their simple to use 3-step program, clean, prep, coat, makes all the hard work of removing rust a thing of the past. Step 1 is clean. Simply spray on their cleaner degreaser to remove any oil, dirt, and grime without leaving any residues, noxious fumes, or flammable solvents. Step 2 is prep. POR-15 Prep provides the best adhesion for coating on any metal surfaces and will even adhere to shiny and polished metals. Step 3, coat. POR-15 Rust Preventive Coating is a high-tech top coat designed for application directly on stable rust or seasoned metal surfaces. And it also provides a permanent rust protection with a hammer-tough finish that's resistant to acids and alkalis, and it also repels all types of fuels and oils. Also available from POR-15 is their Weld Through Primer. This is a great product to help keep rust out of your welds. And when welding near painted areas, it will reduce the welding heat zone, which will reduce distortion and burning of your painted areas. Now that we've talked a little bit about POR-15, let me show you some of the results after the 3-step process. This rusty rear axle is a great example of something that you might be facing on your own project. POR-15 can give you the finish of this restored crossmember without any of the high cost of sandblasting and powder coating. Best of all, it's a brush-on solution, meaning you don't have to buy expensive equipment to apply it. This is a very easy DIY solution to stop rust permanently. So say goodbye to rust with POR-15, available now at DIX Performance North.